Click on the cashier icon. Insert cashier's PIN number. Click Cash In button. Insert reason to cash in. Click Done button. Insert amount to cash in. Click Cash In button to submit. Cash in success. Click Cashier icon. Insert your cashier's PIN number. Click Cash Out button. Insert reason to cash out. Click Done button. Enter the amount to cash out. Then click Cash Out button. Cash out successful. Click on the cashier icon. Insert your cashier's PIN number. Click Drawer Kick button. Insert reason to drawer kick. Click Done button to submit.